Good afternoon, Ms. Lau. So this video is meant to show you my work. And I start off by underlining the question, which reads, how much will the CFL save over the lifetime of the bulb compared to using the incandescent light bulb, right? And the wording is a bit tricky, to be honest. And I just want to, reword it so it made more sense to me, right? And I reword it as, how much will the CFL save compared to using the incandescent light bulbs over the lifetime of the CFL bulb, right? So in this second question, right, and the one I made, right, I am basically limiting myself to the lifetime of the CFL bulb, right? And that's what they're asking you. That's what they're asking you. They're asking you to compare the CFL bulb and the incandescent bulb to the lifetime of the CFL bulb, right? The CFL bulb lifetime is 10,000 hours. So we pretty much established our connection, our first comparison, which is 10,000 hours, right? That is now our constant. Okay, now that we know that, let me draw your attention to right here. The 10 cents per kilowatt hour, right? I wrote it down right here, but I kind of changed it up a bit, right? So instead of having 1 kWh, right, I had 1 kilowatt per hour, which is literally the same thing. It's literally the same thing. So that's why I did it, right? So anyways, since we established that the hours are 10,000s, right? And that's constant throughout everything, right? I just replaced it, you know? And you get 1 kilowatt over 10,000, right? So in order to get rid of the 10,000 part, just multiply by 10,000 on each side, right? And then you get $1,000 equals 1 kilowatt, right? And then from there, you change a kilowatt to just a watt, right? And now you get $1,000 per every 1,000 watts, right? Which is the same thing as saying $1 equals 1 watt, right? Now, if we put this into this equation, right, where you have the CFL and the incandescent, right? You have 42 watts for the CFL and you have 150 watts for the incandescent, right? Since $1 equals 1 watt, you just replace the watts with a dollar, right? With the dollar sign, and you get 40. It's kind of, yeah. You get $42, and you get $150 for this one. And they're asking for a comparison, right? And the comparison is just the difference, kind of. Well, I mean, it is. So you do 150 minus 42. There we go. And you get 108. But wait, Miss Lau, that's not the right answer. That is not the right answer. So you see, I had an epiphany, you know? I was doing it, right? And then I realized, hold up, 115 is right. And now let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. So if you read the question even more carefully, right? You'll see it says bulbs with an S, plural, right? Incandescent bulbs. And they're saying over the lifetime of the bulb, of the CF bulb. So the lifetime of a CF bulb, right, is 10,000 hours, right? In comparison, the incandescent light bulb is only 10,000 hours, right? So in order to pretty much equate to the same lifetime, you would need 10 incandescent light bulbs. That makes sense? Yeah. So now let's do the math. 1 CFL costs $13. Oops, I said 30. Now we just said that 10 incandescent, I'm gonna say Inca because it's easier, right? Equals 1 Inca times $2, right? Which is the same thing as $20. I don't know why I went through that. Anyways, $20 to pretty much equal the same amount, or sorry, to $20, right, of incandescent light bulbs equals the same lifetime as 1 CFL, right? And the prices are noticeable now. Yeah, noticeable too, right? Because 1 CFL costs $13, but 10 Incas cost $20. So the Incas are more expensive, right? Now we gotta add this cost to this number right now. So we get 170 right? Because we add the incas, and this is the inca, right? So we get 170, and then we add 13 to the CFO, and now we get 45. And now we just subtract. And now we get 115. Look at that. Look at that. Choicey.